Invitational, Parañaque in Season 1, where he is a homegrown of, then Muntinlupa, Batangas, Mindoro for the Invitational, Caloocan, Bacolod, Imus, then now back with Parañaque. Koga is 34.
Lifts it up to Jordan Rios. Belencion steps back. Three-pointer to Strong. Ero Soriano will clean up the miss. Santos nakikipagbagaan sa ilalim.
That was a four-shot by Santos asking for a foul.
Rizal, nagko-coach din si Rusey Koga. Si Dan Sara din na naging kaampi niya sa San Bena is coaching yung mga, I think, so, siyempre doon nanggaling sila Nico Salva din. Eto, nakapuntos na naman si Ero Soriano.
Malis talaga dun sa sistema.
Soriano, di makapwersa sa ilalim na agawan. Pardo, back the other way. Soriano will finish. Masibas, walang mapuntahan. Labastida doing a good job of cutting him off. But Salazar will not be denied. He hits the jumper.
Yeah, he was part of the earlier season.
Kampi niya sila Vincizon, di ba?
Oh.
Joey Mente.
Joey Mente.
Sorry, 33-24. ManiPay is the digital wallet built for the community. Marlon Monte. Salazar tumanggap. Laban kay Rusey Koga. Marquez finally nails the three. Kanina 13 puntos na yan. Yung lamang ng Parañaque, they were ahead 19-6. Marlon Monte answers right back with a three of his own. 5 out of 11 from free ang Parañaque. Good hands from Labastida. Pardo deflecting it, but Peralta recovers. Sombero. Marquez for free. Back-to-back triples for Balong. Ball tapped out. Monte. No good. Ahead, Basibas. They will lay it in. 6-point lead right now after that make. Monte. Bola na wala. Naagaw. Salazar will stretch and score. Bayad. Free admission. Mamaya maganda yung laban natin sa lalo yung huling laban, no? Between two. Pasa sa ilalim, Matiliano, supalpal, inabot niya. Bola na agaw ni Rusey Koga. Domart. No whistle. Salazar sprinting down the floor. Dinukot pa sa kabila ni Janjan. Witty Santos. Nahulog yung tres. Second triple of the ball game for Jomar Santos.
Clutch shot there by clutch basket, I mean, for Witty Santos.
Marquez, short stab. 8 points all in this quarter for Balong Marquez. Salazar, no look. Basibas. Inside, Rios. Got back his own miss. And he will finish. Basibas. Dumps it down low. Salazar gives the lead to Imus for the first time in this ball game.
Their offense.
Scoring this quarter 29-15 in favor of Imus. Like that 29-17. Naagaw ni Balong. Salazar will make sure with his layup. They could opt to take the last shot of this quarter. Marquez though off the bounce, sees an opening and lays it up and in.
Good ball movement there by Imus Banderas.
Koga, this shot will not go.